everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be unboxing the Zebronics Bluetooth mouse. It's also a silent mouse. I'm quickly going to tell what it means. The reason I switched to this mouse is because my old mouse, which is so annoyingly long with this much wire, and also it has this annoying click sound, and it becomes very difficult to work in the night time and you're working and everybody's sleeping. It makes this sound. So that's why I switched to a silent mouse. So silent mouse, even if you click these buttons, there's absolutely no sound. Also about the wired mouse, I always supported the concept of wired mouse because my previous wireless mouse, the battery used to get over like every month and it was too difficult to change the batteries. But recently, after some research, I got to know there are some good quality mouses, and if you use a proper battery, it comes almost up to a year, so you don't really have to worry about changing battery every month. So this one doesn't come with a battery, but I'll just unbox and show how it is. So this is how the packaging looks like. It's pretty basic, and at the back side it says MRP 1,499, although I got it on Amazon for around $800, so that was pretty good for this kind of Bluetooth mouse. Also, it says it's Bluetooth plus it has this nano receiver, so you also have this option of having that USB thing you can plug in. If you don't want to use Bluetooth, you can use that option as well. So let's unbox this. Okay, here is the mouse. First impression is it's very light actually. Also, I'm pretty happy with the size. It's not too small, not too big, and the touch is matte finish, so it's nice when you work on this. So about the silent part, so wow, the sound reduction is great. Unless you really are very close, you can't hear the noise. Let me show you the difference. This is my old mouse. See the difference? Yes, so the silent part really works. Now at the back side, when we open this, you can see an empty cartridge for your battery. It says you need to put in AA 1.5 volt battery. So let me put in the battery. So I have this dual cell ultra AA battery, so I'm going to put this. Okay, and there's a turn on and off button, so you need to turn on. And here there's another switch for you to switch between the Bluetooth option and the wireless option. So for this wireless option, you have this controller, so you need to put it to your laptops on the USB port, and it works. I honestly like the concept of Bluetooth because in laptops and some devices you only have limited USB ports, and if you want multiple devices to be connected just for mouse, you're going to waste one port, right? So I'm happy this has both the options. So let me use the Bluetooth option first. So once you turn on, you can see the red light switched on, and here, so this toggle button, basically you can switch the mode between Bluetooth and the wireless mode. So I'm gonna keep it to Bluetooth mode now. To connect it to the laptop, it's pretty basic. Just turn on the Bluetooth on your system and just pair it for the first time, and next time onwards it's automatically connected. So if your laptop's Bluetooth is on and this is on, it just connects automatically. And one more interesting thing is this works with phone as well. You can use it with phone. For the usage, I'm really happy because it works like butter, because it's so smooth and it's pretty fast. The latency is really good, and it has a right and left button and middle scroll. Also, it supports the middle press button thingy. The middle press is not silent, but the other two are silent. The middle, actually, the many mouses do not come with this option. I really like this option of having to click the middle part, because it's really handy personally for me when I'm browsing something on Chrome and you want to open another tab. When you click this middle button, right, it just opens a new tab instead of you to right click and then open a new tab. Or if you directly click it there, it's gonna go to that page, right? Like if you want to come back again, you have to come back to the previous page. So to avoid that, I usually prefer using the shortcut to open a new tab, and yeah, it's useful in many other Word document navigation and etc. I just tested the mouse with the other option, which has the USB receiver, and that also works pretty fine. And one more thing to note about this mouse is it has this silent feature. So if you're not using the mouse for, let's say, like 10 minutes, it automatically turns off, and that's really good in saving your battery. So yeah, I really like that option. And next time you don't really have to manually turn it on. So let's say after like 1 hour idle time, right, and you just come back to work and you just shake it for a second and it turns on automatically. So that's another good point. overall, I'm really happy with this mouse. I think you definitely need to check this out if you want to avoid the annoying click sound and the endless wired mouse. So you can go to this option. About the other mouses which are available, I did research on Lenovo and one more Rhoda, I think. I'm not really sure. I'm gonna link it here. But there was at least one or the other issues in the review. So this actually did not have any review, but I think Zebronics is a good company for mouses and keyboards. So I just ordered it, and I was really lucky that I got a really good one. So do consider this, and I'm gonna link the Amazon link on the description, so do check it out. Yeah, that's it about this review. Do like this video and share this video with your friends, and comment below which mouse do you use, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.